I started my independent business in 2013 after I lost my mom in October of 2012. I realized that my mom put something in me and I wasn't basic, and I had to push and drive and do what was inside of me was to follow my music career, follow my career to be independent and have my own business and actually leave something of a great inheritance to my kids. A true independent, someone that was that went through something, that survived it actually, and was able to create something out of nothing. I created HogOn, and I created the movement to live to be remembered. And this morning, I just figured out the key to HogOn and how I'm actually going to live to be remembered.